Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at another LEGO Polybag. And this one is Polybag 30549. And this is the Build Your Own Vehicles, Make It Yours Polybag. Now, if you enjoy this kind of video, please think about subscribing, because I am doing one of these polybags a day, one a day, every day, for the foreseeable future. And also, I have done one of these a day, every day for the recent past. So there's a bunch of them already up, and there's many more on the way if you like this kind of thing. Now, yesterday we did, it was like 30548, which was the Build Your Own Birds one. And I gotta tell you, the Build Your Own Birds one seem to be light on pieces. This one definitely has more pieces in it than the Build Your Own Birds one. And so let's check this out and see. I think I'm going to fall into the same problem I did with the Build Your Own Birds one, in that if I'm going to build like kind of like abstract things, I want to have like different pieces and also more consistent color to my pieces. Alright, so let's put together one of these things. Maybe that rocket? Let's put together that rocket. Alright, the rocket looks pretty straightforward and simple. Alright, so let's see. For the rocket, what we need, what we're going to do is, we have some of these with the two studs on adjacent sides, and so these are going to sort of form the basis of our rocket. I like these pieces with the studs on two sides. Actually, I'm a fan of the ones that have the studs on all around as well. I'm just a fan of these ones that let you do the studs not on top stuff. I kind of get a kick out of that. Alright. So this, and then like so. And yeah, I kind of want different pieces, I think. Or maybe extra pieces. I don't know. Maybe that's just me. Maybe I'm spoiled by Bricklink and the ability to get the pieces I want. Alright. So this is our rocket body. And then these are going to be the fins the rocket sits on. Like so. So, I mean, you get some okay pieces in here, but nothing is like jumping out at me as being super interesting. I mean, you get some kind of fun color choices, like there's your rocket, but I don't know. So other stuff you get, let's see. I mean, like you get some things, you get a propeller, you get, I don't know, it's just like, it's kind of like a nice little packet of just random stuff, but I don't know, I want more uniformity in my colors too. But maybe that's kind of they're shooting for more fanciful imagination type stuff. I don't know. I mean, like there's a horse and a airplane bird monster. I don't know what that is. So I don't know. Still kind of interesting. And there's apparently a piece coming out. Ah, for the propeller. Anyway, let me know what you think. How do you feel about these build your own, like make it yours sets? They did a couple of them. I kind of want like some wheels or something. I don't know. Anyway, let me know what you think. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope you all have an excellent day.